Alrighty, YouTube, it's 6:20 a.m. I have no idea what I'm doing up at this time, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash this car because I'm getting ready to go to the lake of the Ozarks. So like I said, it's 6:20 in the morning. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing up at this time, but I need to wash this car. Let's go get it done with the GoPro. I'm gonna strap it to my chest. If you guys like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go and get to it. It is now 6:43 in the morning, and I am at the self car wash now. So right now I'm gonna get the GoPro all connected, which is right here in the passenger seat. It's the Hero 9, and I'm gonna go strap it to my chest, and I'm gonna wash this Cadillac. The reason I'm washing it is because my car is currently at BMW getting an oil change, and this car needs to be cleaned since I took it and I did not clean it because I took it to the lake of the Ozarks. It got bugs all over the front of the windshield. As you guys can tell, the windshield is dirty. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's smudge marks all over, and there's bug marks all over the place at the front windshield. So I'm gonna get this car cleaned all up, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, 6:46 in the morning, washing the car. I have no idea why. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, I had to put the GoPro away because it was getting all wet, but I finally got it all clean. I got some of the bugs off the mirror, and I also got almost all of the bugs off the front of the car. So yeah, so the car is looking really good. I think I'm gonna take it by the automatic car wash and let them do it there, and so to get all cleaned up, because the wheels I couldn't get clean, and I couldn't get the car as perfect as I wanted. So I'm gonna have it dropped off there and have them do it before we take it to the Lake of the Ozarks. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed, and let's get to the next clip. Alrighty guys, it is now 7:08 in the morning, and I have fully cleaned the exterior of the Cadillac, and it is now ready to go to Lake of the Ozarks for our trip. It is my girlfriend's birthday, so we are going to Lake of the Ozarks to have a little fun. I'm going to be vlogging there, taking her to the mall, and overall trying to see if there's any car meets down there. Unfortunately, I'm not probably going to take my Beamer because I won't have it in time because of the oil change, and I just dropped it off there, so I'm really not in a rush to get it. So if I do get it by the end of today, then I will end up taking it. If I don't, then I'm going to be stuck with this SUV Cadillac. That's why I cleaned it. I really don't want to take something that's all nasty and all banged up. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean the interior of the car. I'm not going to really show you guys any of this because an ordinary person knows how to clean the interior of the car. So yeah, I got stains all over there, I got stuff laying all around here, and I really don't want to have a dirty car on the way to a 4 or 5 hour drive, and it's not really something I want. Alrighty YouTube, it is now the next day, 6:21 in the morning, Friday. And we are now at the Lake of the Ozarks. It's a totally different day, same video. I drove my BMW, if you guys can see, and I left the Cadillac that I cleaned up at home, but I kind of ran into an issue driving my car. I'm gonna need to go clean this thing while I'm down here for these bugs ruin my paint and get all stuck in my bumper. Let me go ahead and now walk around to the front of the car, and I'll show you guys real quick. Alrighty guys, look at this shit. Look at all of the bugs all over my bumper, and then they're all over my mirror as well. This shit is just ridiculous, but hey, the view though, can't complain. So yeah, that's my current situation. They're all over my windshield as well. Don't really think if I can turn the ISO down a little bit. There you go. You guys see they're all over my windshield, and it is absolutely ridiculous. I can't even go anywhere without getting these stupid bugs all over my car. I gotta start leaving during daytime. But yeah guys, so now I gotta go clean this car. I don't know if you guys want to see that, but I'm just gonna go and throw a couple clips of me washing this thing. And then later on today, I'm gonna go and take my girlfriend to the mall, buy her a cake and everything, and we're gonna go and celebrate her birthday. Again, we're at Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. I'm not too sure if you guys know, but it's near Branson. Branson's pretty known around Missouri, and Lake of the Ozarks is also known pretty well. But hey, this view though, we can't complain. This view is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some few clips around. If you guys have never been here before, I'm gonna go and throw a couple clips in here. I'm also gonna have a whole another video after this, another day in the life. I'm gonna throw more video about Lake of the Ozarks in here as well. So yeah guys, let's go and get into the next clip. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Guys, I am back from Lake of the Ozarks. I didn't really want to film anything. I didn't want to get my girlfriend's space because it was her birthday, and we were having a lot of fun. But I am now back home, and it was a horrible experience with my car with all those bugs. But I finally got home last night, and I just now cleaned my car. I'm all sweaty and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna go and hop out. I'm gonna show you what it looks like now, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before, even though you guys just saw it in the previous clip. But yeah, let's go and step out and take a look. Alrighty guys, so right here is what it's gonna look like before, and now I'm gonna go ahead and pan it over, and now she's all clean and looking pretty now. it was very horrible. I had to scrub multiple times to get all the bugs off. I never want to experience that ever again. But yeah, she's all pretty and looking factory again. One thing that I just saw when I was cleaning my car, I guess I had a rock chip. And right here, if you guys can see it, I don't know if you guys see, but right there, a rock came up and hit this. So I'm going to have to repair that and get a brand new one to fix it. And yeah, so all the bugs are off the mirrors now, and it's finally looking clean. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure to comment down in the description, and I'll go ahead and post some more. Make sure to subscribe. I'm at 1,786 subs now. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.